Today we're gonna cook a branzino in the oven, and we're gonna enjoy it with a mango salsa. For this recipe, we're gonna use half of a red or purple onion. We're gonna make the mango salsa before you cook the fish. That way, the salsa is gonna have a great flavor. So make sure you cut the onion, and also I'm gonna use one tomato. Same idea as the onion. Cut it this way. Branzino is a Mediterranean fish, and you can cook it in the oven, you can fry it, you can smoke it, you can do a lot of things. I'm gonna use some bell pepper. As you can see, mango salsa is very refreshing. It's good with any type of fish. If you try it, you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, so we have a mango right here, and we're gonna remove the skin, and we're gonna cut it in little pieces as well. You know, branzino is almost like a sea bass, and we also have some sea bass recipe, like cooking the air machine, the air fryer. Okay, so for this recipe, we're gonna use one mango for the moment, but I end up using two. If you like your salsa spicy, you can add one jalapeno. That's what I did here. But I don't like my salsa very spicy. That's why I like to remove the membrane. I like to remove the seeds, and that way the salsa is not very spicy. But one more time, if you want to spice it, just add everything. Okay? My wife doesn't eat spicy food. That's why I removed the interior parts of the jalapeno. Okay, so you're gonna do a lot of cutting, and you wanna make sure you add some cilantro to your salsa too. Okay, as you can see, I'm speeding the video right here so that way you don't get bored. And make sure you use the juice of one lime. And if you have an orange, like a sweet orange, make sure you use it too. I didn't have orange, that's why I didn't use it. After you cut everything, just put everything in a bowl, and we're gonna add the lemon juice. As you can see, I'm uploading more videos now. I hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing right here. If you like a lot of vegetable, this is a great recipe. This is like Latin American mango salsa recipe that you can enjoy it with chicken, pork, whatever. Okay, now at the end you add the mango, and then you start spreading the juice. You can use two limes if you want, but make sure you put like one orange. Squeeze all the juice out of it. Okay, this is how you make your mango salsa. And add some salt. You can put or you can add black pepper if you want, but I don't really like to add that. Just mix everything here, and just cover the salsa, let it rest for half an hour or 1 hour, because it's gonna marinate in the lemon juice with the salt. It's gonna release some juice, some water. So just leave it there. And what I noticed was that one mango was not enough for the salsa. That's why I use another one. So two mango, or you can use 1.5. A mango, put everything in there and just combine it. Okay, so we already finished, and what I'd like to show you is how the salsa looks right here. It's very, very good with fish. You can try it with pork too, with chicken. Something. If you make it, it's probably gonna last you 2 days inside your refrigerator. You don't wanna, keep it for 1 week. That would be not good. Just 2 or 3 days, that would be. But just try to eat it the same day. Okay. Okay, we have here our branzino. I bought this fish in Costco. I bought like 4 of them. They're cheaper. When I buy the fish and I bring it home, I like to rinse it. Once you take it out of the package, give it a good rinse, because it has a fishy smell. Once you rinse it, then it's very fresh. But if you like fishy fish, just cook it the way you want it. Okay, I like to make those cut in there because we're gonna add some flavor in there, and I like to remove, the those parts of the fish. I think that you remove the fin. Or I don't know if the fin is only for shark. You remove the wings, and that's it. You can cook this fish in the air fryer, but you have to cut it on half because it's very long fish. And that's why we're gonna cook it inside the oven. It's gonna be very fast and easy. We're gonna add some flavor to this fish, and we're gonna put sea salt all over the fish, inside, out. I like to use this seasoning. This seasoning has garlic powder, onion powder. It has a bunch of dry spices, and I like to add some olive oil. If you don't want to use olive oil, that's fine. You can always omit some things that you don't like, and then I like to add the seasoning inside. It's very good. I bought it at Costco for $5. It's very good seasoning. It has a lot of stuff in there. Okay, I like to go a little bit crazy with the seasoning because I want the fish to have a nice flavor. And at the end, we're gonna add the some lemon juice inside, but I'm gonna slice it, and we're gonna stuff the fish with some lemon slices. Some people, I have seen some videos on YouTube like how to cook some branzino, and they put parsley, they put garlic, they put a lot of stuff inside the fish. You can do that too if you want, but since we're gonna have a mango salsa, we don't need to do a lot of stuffing inside the fish. I just like to squeeze the juice of the lemon all over. Okay, this fish is very big, so I think you can always share it with your wife or your husband. I ate half, and my wife ate the other half. And we were all happy. So that's what I like to do. Just put some slices of lemon, and your oven have to be on or hot right now before you put the fish. I like to set it at 450 Fahrenheit or 425. What I like to do is I like to use a tray, and then I put some foil paper, and I use another little tray, and I lay the fish down there, and it goes in the oven. I'm sorry, I said 450, right? It's supposed to be 425 or 450, doesn't matter. Just give it 25 minutes. That will be enough. We're almost finishing right here. And ready. Okay, so after 25 minutes, you take the fish out. Make sure you don't get your hands hot. Always use a towel or some mint. And we're gonna remove the fish from there and set it on a plate. Oh, I almost forgot. 10 minutes before the time was coming to an end, I like to add some cherry tomatoes and a little bit of salt and olive oil, and just throw everything inside the oven for 10 minutes because I like to decorate the fish in a beautiful way. So we set it on a plate. It's good if you use a long spatula, that way your fish doesn't break when you're handling or grabbing it. And you put the cherry tomatoes all over. And you start adding a little bit of the oil from the tomatoes, and then at the end you just add some mango salsa on top of it, and you sit down, you grab a bottle of cold wine like a Chardonnay or Zinfandel, and enjoy it with your families and friends. Thank you for watching.